How do you use the value if true in an Excel if function? Imagine you're sorting through a list of sales figures and want to mark those that are above a certain amount. How do you tell Excel what to do when a condition is met? That's where the value if true part of the if function comes in. The value if true is the second part of the if formula. It tells Excel what to display or do if the first part, the logical test, turns out to be true. Think of it as the action or result you want when your condition is satisfied. To use it, you start with a logical test, like checking if a sales number is greater than a specific value. Then you add what you want Excel to show if that test is true. For example, if you want to label sales over 500 as high, you write the formula like this, is equal to if A1 500, high, low. In this formula, A1 500 is the logical test. The value if true is high, which appears if the sales in cell A1 are more than 500. The third part, value A false, is what shows if the condition isn't met, like low in this case. You can make the value if true anything you want. It could be a word like pass or complete. It can also be a number, such as 1 or 100, or even a calculation like A1 multiplied by 0.1. You can also reference another cell, like B2, to pull in data dynamically. Sometimes, you might want nothing to show when the condition is true. In that case, you can put an empty string in quotes like this. This makes the cell appear blank if the condition is true. Using the value if true properly helps you create formulas that respond to data automatically. It allows you to flag items, assign categories, or perform calculations based on specific conditions. This makes your spreadsheets more interactive and easier to analyze. You can also combine the if function with other logical functions like and, or, and not to test multiple conditions. For example, you could check if sales are over 500 and customer satisfaction is high at the same time. Always remember to put the value if true as the second argument right after your logical test. If you leave it out, Excel might give you errors or unexpected results. In short, the value if true in an Excel if function is what you want to happen when your condition is true. It helps you make your spreadsheet smarter and more responsive to your data. Whether you're marking, calculating, or referencing, this part of the formula is key to building effective logical tests.